Do you like doing everything? Do you like trying your hands on everything? Do you enjoy all sorts of things, be it painting, drawing, dancing, cooking, gardening, or any sort of life skill? If you are someone who likes being everything and doing everything, you are a jack of all trades. And I know a lot of influencers have told you that the jack of all trades is a master of none, but I think they did not tell you the whole story. The jack of all trades is a master of none, but oftentimes better than the master of one. And when I heard this, I was so proud of myself because this is something I relate with very much, because I want to be everything and I cannot complain about it. I do not want people to complain about it, because there's just one life. We only live once. And if someone tells me that I don't like reading or I don't like doing certain stuff, I just want to ask them one thing, that are you sure that you are going to take another year or another lifetime to do all sorts of things that you could not do in this lifetime? Will you be able to do so? If you are so sure that I will be born again and I will do all those things, then definitely try it. I'm not saying that you should go for bungee jumping or you should go for tracking if you don't like it, and you get yourself injured, all sorts of things. I'm saying that if you can, then why not? Why are you giving yourself all sorts of pep talks that I am not able to do this and I will never do this in my lifetime? Because I don't understand such people. I absolutely don't understand such people. If they have perceptions like they're kind of stubborn, and at the same time they have this stereotype, and they have attached themselves to saying no more often, and they are like, I do not like doing certain stuff, so I won't do this. But I think I admire people who like to try everything, and I think I'm one of those people, because I think there's just one life. You need to try everything, you need to do everything, and you need to figure out what works the best for you. I'm not saying you should not specialize in one skill. Absolutely, in today's world, it is very, mandatory, and it is crucial to specialize in one thing so that you can build your own profession. You can, get appraisals at your job. But at the same time, it is important to be a jack of all trades and to know everything and to try everything, because it is the world of digitalization and we live in the world of AI. And when I talk about AI, we need to learn how to use AI. We need to learn how to do certain stuff. And that's not the only reason. I think being a jack of all trades makes you a problem solver, because you can come up with ideas from different topics. You know everything, a little bit of everything from everywhere, and you can come up with a creative idea from all those ideas. That's what I believe in, because it's cool to be a master of one. However, it's better to be a master of all sorts of things. It's better to do all sorts of things. I know we cannot become a perfectionist. We can cook, but we are not the best chef in the world. We can sing, but we are not professionals. But would you still sing if I tell you to? Would you still give it a shot? I think my dadu is in his 70s, but he would still try his hands on FB, on social medias, on different things he's learning. And I think there's no age to learning. So being a jack of all trades makes you a learner for a lifetime, and you should be proud of yourself if you are a jack of all trades, if you like doing all sorts of things. And whosoever is telling you that you are not on the right track, let me tell you, you are doing perfect, and you need not change yourself based on the opinions and the perception of other people. So in today's world, it's absolutely important to become a jack of all trades, because when you are a jack of all trades, no one is restricting you to become a master of one. And when you know the balance, when you know how to balance between both of them, then there's no one who can beat you. Because when you are an entrepreneur, you have to be a jack of all trade. When you're a freelancer, you have to be a jack of all trades, so that you can express your ideas to your clients. And it requires more than one skill to express your ideas. You need to cold email, you need to express your ideas through communication. And when you are an entrepreneur, you have to express your opinions, and you have to hire good candidates so that you can build a good team, and for that you need to become a jack of all trades. You need to juggle between different sorts of tasks. So that was all in today's video. I hope you got to learn something new from this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and you can subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.